For some reason, folks, there was a chopper just over our house. He flew, God, I missed it. He flew like right over our dang pool, and something sticking out. Looked like a dang gun or something. What is he doing? I was inside, I heard it, and I took out, oh my God. He's coming back. We're not being attacked by Japanese, are we? What in the world is this dickhead doing? Sorry, I shouldn't call him that, I guess. He might be. I'm waiting to see if we see flames. I think he's gone, folks. I lost him in the trees. I'll hang around out here for a minute, see if he comes up or anything. But that was pretty cool though, wasn't it? That dude was like right over our house for a minute there. Man, see ya.